Let me just tell you what we're about to do in this video. So pretty much my hair looking a hot mess too, but I had to try to do something to it. It need to detangle. It's a mess, but we just working through it. Okay, what is up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I went ahead and I applied my foundation or whatever. I did my eyebrows, I did my eyeshadow, and I have on some lip gloss or whatever. And then I put my under eye concealer. And I don't know, but this concealer, like, it kind of like it oily. I don't know why, but it's oily. But anyways, I had it sitting for like, let's say 15 minutes already. I wanted to try out this AOA setting powder in the color banana. $1 banana powder. Hey, that's what's up. I guess I'll be trying it out with you guys so that y'all can see how it look. Okay, so I'm about to apply the setting powder. This look like a lot. Oh boy, this might be too much. Okay, and I'm just going to let it sit for like 1 minute. Okay, so I had it on for about 2 minutes, well, probably like 3 minutes, and I am going to take it off with my big foofy brush. Take out the excess and let's see how it looks. It looks good. Yeah. Check it out. For $1 setting powder though. $1 setting powder. This is nice. Very nice, very nice. For $1? For $1 setting powder. This setting powder actually is bomb. Like, you can't see it. Like, right now I'm filming in daylight, and as you can see, it blended real nice. You know, you remember how the concealer that I had underneath my eyes was looking real oily and it just matted all out, make it look real nice and smooth. And for $1 though, for $1, yes, AOA came through for $1. So instead of buying that expensive banana powder, you could just get yourself that $1 banana powder and you will be good to go, because your girl is baked and it actually came out really good. I can zoom in so that you could see how nice it really blended out real nice on my face. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to this channel, what you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you don't miss another video from your girl. And thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. Have a good one. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my awesome channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and become a hearty, because we're all hearties in this hearty family. Have lots of hearts. Heart, 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 heart. Heart mama VI. And hardy you. Anyways, that was very bad.